EasyCut Video Editor is a user-friendly Android application designed for creating and editing videos with ease and efficiency. This app is ideal for both beginners and experienced users, offering a range of powerful editing tools that allow individuals to produce high-quality videos directly from their mobile devices. The application typically features a straightforward interface that enables users to perform various editing tasks, such as trimming, merging, and adding transitions, with minimal effort. EasyCut Video Editor often provides a library of music, sound effects, and text overlays, allowing users to enhance their videos creatively. Additionally, the app may support multiple video formats and resolutions, ensuring compatibility for various projects, whether for social media, personal use, or professional presentations. Users can often export their finished videos quickly and share them across different platforms with just a few taps. With its combination of functionality and accessibility, EasyCut Video Editor stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to craft engaging and polished videos on Android devices.